Hello and welcome back. We are talking today on Unit 6, Lesson 9 about similar figures. Similar figures are the same exact shape but different sizes. And what happens with similar figures is you have relationships that you can use and make, guess what, proportions to help us to solve pieces of the puzzle. So you have all these fancy symbols here. This is the triangle symbol. This means they're similar, right? It's kind of like an equal sign. This is the congruency symbol. That's the angle symbol. So this says that angle A is congruent to angle X. These little arcs means that the two arcs means they're the same size. Three arcs means they're the same size. We don't know what they are right now, but we do know that whatever they are the same. Okay. This means AB equals BC. So AB, the relationship of AB over XY equals BC over YZ. So it's talking about relationships. All right, so the key, there is a importance of the order of letters. So A, B, C, D, this order is identical to E, F, G, H. You cannot change the order of that. Now, if you read it C, D, A, B, you could go G, H, E, F, but you can't go back this way. It's very, very important you do that. Otherwise, it will mess up what sides correspond to what. So that says A, B, and E, F are corresponding. That means that they are related. And that's very important for when we set up a proportion, because if you do A, B, and G, H, they are not related. Okay. So let's use that information and let's make some proportions to find out missing sides. So in this, we have these corresponding rectangles. We know 5 and 30 are in the same relationship, so we can make a fraction of that since they correspond. We know B and 24 are in the same relationship. I started with the small shape first, then I went to the big shape, so I went small on top and big on bottom. Any proportion, we solve the same way, cross multiply and divide. So you get 120 equals 30B. Okay, last step's always to divide by 30 in this case, divide by 30, so B equals 4, not 40. 4 what? 4 centimeters in this case, because it's listed. All right, now, this next one's a little trickier because it's not just a direct translation. It's upside down and rotated around a little bit. Looks like it's flipped over. So what I need to do is I need to look at the angles. So here, 2, 3, angle 2, 3, that means this side and this side are related. See, that's between 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So that means 7/14 is equal to 2/1, Very important you set it up right. If you mess it up, game over, you're going to get it wrong. Cross multiply, you get 7A equals 56. Divide by 7, you get A equals 8 centimeters again. Same label. Our math looks like the metric system. All right, now, the last unit, we touched on scale factor a little bit. Now we're going to play into it a little bit more. A rectangular blue tile has a length of 4.25 inches and a width of 6.75 inches. A similar red tile has a length of 12.75 inches. What is the width of the tile? Okay, so we know the width on top, length on bottom. Now they give us the length. So we have length, width. So length goes on top. Width goes on bottom. So we know it's similar. We can compare length and width. Okay, and they did a picture up here, very similar to that, cross multiply and divide. With double decimals, this is not happening in my head. So a little shortcut you can do is you can multiply across and divide immediately right in your calculator. So we're going to do 12.75 times 6.75, immediately dividing 4.25. And I get 20.25, which is lovely. Oh, my camera's reversed, so you can't even read that. 20.25. I keep forgetting about that because when I do my zooms, I can reverse my camera so you can see it right. I can mirror it or whatever. Okay, and it's just regular length, so it's not squared or anything. And there you have it. Okay. Any questions? See me in class, shoot me an email, message me on Canvas. Do whatever it takes to dominate this lesson. Talk to you soon.